Hi. Just chilling with my chicken. Alicia. Let go now, Thomas. That's it. We like to chill with the chickens. Oh, we do. We'll go for a walk, Esmeralda. Huh? Who needs a parrot when you can have a chicken on your
shoulder?
Yeah, if you like. I don't do parrots, I'd rather do chickens. Esmeralda. Just taking my chicken for a walk, you know, as you do. Not bragging around. Take my chicken on a walk. I'm done chilling. That's it, hang on in there. The winds are quite high, Esmeralda.
Can we try holding her on our shoulder?
You can if you want, yeah.
Can I hold her first?
You've got to hold your armpit, you see, when you do, so you give her a bit of a perch.
Like that?
You are beautiful, aren't you, Esmeralda? So wagwan, Esmeralda, wagwan. Esmeralda, wagwan. Wagwan. I want to call you Felicia, in fact. She would call, no, she said no, she does not like Felicia. Do you want to be Shaquanda? No, she said no again. Do you want to be Esmeralda? Alright then. No, okay. So, what do you want to be? A Monica? No, she don't want to, no. What do you want to be? Nothing? Okay. You just be you, hon. She doesn't want to define as anything. She doesn't want to be a she, he, or a chicken. She just wants to be. Esmeralda! I don't even know why I said that with a kind of Scottish accent. Sarah Esmeralda, look, hanging. Oh. Woohoo, there you go, Thomas. Chilling with a chicken.
Look at me, Thomas.
Chilling with a chicken.